Dollar Tree got brand new organization baskets. I love these because they look like flowers, maybe tulips blooming, so many fun things for spring and Mother's Day. I have never seen anything like this in store. And man, I have got a frame hack for you. Are you ready?
Stay tuned for all of the brand new products, real Anthropologie, Pottery Barn dupes, and brand new finds. Bows are trending everywhere, like these Pottery Barn finds.
One of my favorite new products is this container right here. It comes in a purple and it comes in a pink. It has these little bows on it, and this is an airtight seal. I recently made a 5 Below video, and seeing Dollar Tree bring all of this into store, so many feminine, girly products, I love it.
I could not believe they had this in store. These would be great for hair ties. What an amazing gift idea. And scalloped bins are trending everywhere, at Pottery Barn, at Container Store. I was really impressed. Trust me, you're gonna want to use it in your linen closet. I was really impressed with all of the Mother's Day finds this year, and now is when you want to scoop them up. And stay tuned for the secret behind this easy DIY. A brand new product are these glass cut decanters, which yes, they sell similar items at Pottery Barn. When I saw this at Dollar Tree, my jaw was on the floor.
So cute. Okay, these are amazing. Is airtight.
My beautiful friend, I do not want to promote clutter, okay? I thought these would be the perfect way to store bath salts. This would make an incredible Mother's Day gift, or just a gift because I would love to get something like this. And I was perusing online, $225. Who in the Lady Primrose? I mean, we can be our own Lady Primrose. I would love to get both of these gifts. They're super quality and something the person would love.
This is actually insane.
To find gold and wooden handled peelers at Dollar Tree? Yes, ma'am.
Dollar Tree has been getting so many name brand kitchen gadgets. Look at these gorgeous wooden handled peelers for fruits and vegetables. These are so beautiful. And they also got these Simply Served collapsible storage cups. What I like about these is if you have a small space, you can just hang these up and then you go like that. They're super easy to clean, made of silicone. This is an amazing deal for $1.25. Love this. And this is really great reusable and quality items. These are Joey reusable freezer bags. These are about $5 to $6 at Walmart. Oh my gosh, that is very exciting. Like, what the heck? This is like a housewarming gift.
If I paid retail for both items, I would spend almost $20. And you know, at Do It On a Dime, I'm going to test out everything for you. Yes, this is a quality product. Just because the budget is small doesn't mean you don't deserve nice things. All right, so I had to show this product. Anthropologie right now sells an icon juice glass tumbler. These are gorgeous, and
these are beautiful portable glasses. These are definitely going to go viral. My favorite is the watermelon. I'd love to know what you like. I love that these are glass. They're easy to clean. It comes with a plastic straw and the top. The fact that these are $1.50 each is really good. Anthropologie sells a similar version to this that is so cute, but really expensive. So seeing these so affordably, I love this trending style.
Perfect for end of year teacher gifts. You can throw a little Starbucks gift card inside.
These Snackle boxes are also brand new. You don't have to just use these for snacks though. You could use this for jewelry making supplies. I love that the top is clear and these are food safe. I do really like how you can take these out too. So like it's like modular. It's American Girl doll size. Your American Girl doll, really, if she wants to be like Dollar Tree branded, you know what I mean? You could use this for her.
And I will say, Kirsten was shooketh by this product, okay? If you were to buy something at Target, the exact thing is almost $17. Walmart's got it for $8. Dollar Tree is coming in awesome at this for just $6. This is absolutely worth it. I use command strips all the time. If you watch Do It On a Dime, you know that. So this is such a great way to store these, and I can use them for travel. I am really excited to find this. I would love to know how you would use it. I've been reading the comments lately. Oh my gosh, like I just shop at regular Dollar Trees just like everybody else. I've never been sponsored by Dollar Tree. I'm just really excited and like showing you good deals. These are the Mackenzie Childs plates that I found in a previous video. Remember, I made this really cool pedestal stand with a plate and a bowl. Well, I wanted to tell you that I saw these gorgeous food storage containers come in. Aren't they so cute? I have so many practical items upcoming, but I want to share with you some really simple upgrades that you can do with $1.50 items in store. So have you seen these cloches? Mine were selling out in store, as well as the picture frames that I share with you at the beginning of the video. I want to know which of the next 2 DIYs is your favorite. So what you can do is take a Dollar Tree nightlight, doesn't matter what's on it. I just grabbed this little Cinderella one, and then all you have to do is use nano dots, or you can glue it onto the back of your picture frame. You can put this up at any spot in your house for a beautiful and also artistic glow. And
At my store, this is at the front. They have these LED floral cloches, which are really cool and light up, and they have these awesome LED spring pillar candles. What is so great about these is they actually come with the battery inside, so you don't have to buy them separately. This is very similar to a recent DIY that I did with pillar candles and napkins, and I love that this one is already made for you. And speaking of candles, they also have the LED taper candles, which are taller for your candlesticks. They come in a teal, a pink, and a purple.
If you feel so inclined, you should go look up preserved flowers and cloches online. Y'all, they are expensive, or just take my word for it. So let's soup up the Dollar Tree version to get the look. I gave this a single coat of spray paint. You could really use any color that you wanted. Excuse the bottom. I had a little mishap, okay? And then you can go ahead and feed the lights through that. Now, I use the rose that it came with, but you could put anything in here that you wanted. I also thought these would make really cool name card holders for Mother's Day if you wanted to put people's names inside the cloche. Like, how cool is that? These are so beautiful, really captivating, and I don't know about you, but I think they kind of have Beauty and the Beast vibes.
They also got brand new $5 candles, which these scents are really, really good. They even brought back the mirrored organizing boxes, which are so beautiful, but I was really impressed with this section. These are all new finds, super affordable. I'm thinking Mother's Day gifts, but also home decor. I'd love to know how you would use these especially. Dollar Tree got brand new floral foam. It's in this longer length, and this is amazing for table centerpieces. You wanna see? I'll show you.
All you need is one of these elongated trays. They are $1.50. And I took some roses that I had from my stash. I love the Dollar Tree simple roses. And what's great about the longer floral foam is one piece exactly fits on the bottom of these trays. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to mine, put this on. And many of you ask frequently for baby shower ideas, wedding ideas. I should probably do a compilation video at some point because I've done so many centerpiece ideas on my channel. But stick the roses into the floral foam and then add candles on top. All of the candlesticks were from Dollar Tree too. The hurricane vase, I just put a candlestick from Dollar Tree inside, and then the little mini fluted ones off to the side. This is such a gorgeous centerpiece. And the grand total? Less than $15 for a super high-end look. I'd love to know if you give this a try.
When you're in Crafter Square and you're gonna see for $1.25 dual tip markers. This is a trending product in lots of other stores, and they work so well. Trust me, Owen can attest.
These 5-pack of markers, I actually can't tell a difference between these and the Amazon markers. They almost seem exactly the same. And if you don't want to spend $22 on a huge case, this is a great way to go. They have a primary colors kit and a pastel version kit. And I can't just show you the markers, I've got to show you how to use them too.
Come to the coloring book section. There are tons of adult coloring books. Lots of these are so fun, and combine it with those markers. This is an awesome gift idea for a friend in need or just because.
I think many of you know I was a classroom teacher for a decade, so I am very picky when it comes to coloring supplies and quality of them, so just trust.
These are really great for storing kids' games, puzzles, in something clear so you can easily see it. Love this.
When is the last time you sat down to just regulate your nervous system, to just be with yourself and enjoy the outside? I'm saying this to you just as much as I am to me. Having this little pack, I set this next to my bed so I can pull it out and I can color. It is so relaxing, and these markers are good. Maybe you've seen some like viral short videos or viral TikToks of people coloring with these markers. This is an acrylic marker. You can also use it on fabric. You can use it on wood and plastic. Highly recommend these. They're selling out at a lot of stores, so keep your eyes peeled, and you could use the bags for really anything. There's so many new products right now I've seen that are absolutely worth trying.
Brand new is really pretty tissue paper. I love this one. It's got some eucalyptus on it. I love the colors. They also have this pink one, and they even have another pink and purple. These are so cute.
I mean, getting all of your wrapping supplies from Dollar Tree, they are just nailing it in the gift bag section. And now that their tissue paper is just as cute, I mean, I'm impressed.
These swimsuit sacks are great. I have used mine for years. You can use your phone right through this. It keeps all the things you want dry, especially tech.
This is a great product. We're headed out of town soon to San Diego, and I was looking for wet dry bags on Amazon, and they were really expensive. This Dollar Tree version is just as cute, half the price, and it has a little pouch in the front that you can use your cell phone through. Trust me, if you've ever dealt with sand before, you know that this is a good find. And before I left the store, these caught my eye, these adorable shower caps. Now, if you travel or you're traveling this summer, definitely remember this hack. These shower caps are so cute. You can use this to put your shoes in, and then it won't get your luggage dirty. Yes, these are UGG sandals. I thrifted them, y'all. Of course I did. Now it's that time for Catherine's picks. These L socks are absolutely adorable. I loved the patterns, and they brought back the Disney body scrubs. They had these at Christmas time, but seeing them back in store, they are great. And when you see the skin smoothing sugar strawberry scrub, This is a legit brand, not a Dollar Tree made one. The smell is absolutely divine, and this is a dupe for a strawberry scrub you can find at Sephora that is quite pricey. I was impressed with this product. All right, so I need your opinion on this next one so I feel less alone. I was recently on TikTok and saw a bunch of people talking about a $400 hairbrush. And then I watched like one video, so then it kept serving me a bunch of videos. But this is the brush. It is by Mason Pearson, and it's supposed to make your hair super silky smooth. And I was like, yo, is that not just a regular hairbrush like the ones you can find at literally Dollar Tree? These are dual bristle brushes, and the dual bristle is what makes your hair silky smooth. I absolutely love this. I can't tell a difference, but I've got to know your opinion. This one makes Catherine's recommended list, and I would love to know down below which of these ideas in this video made you super excited to try.
My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll catch you soon.